Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we set alerts in KvCore. So from your dashboard in your KvCore, we want to go to Smart CRM. Once we are in our Smart CRM, we want to click on the contact name. So it's Ricky Smith. And on top here you see the timeline and there's an alerts link right next to that. And we are able to create 2 alerts for them. But 99% of the time, one alert will cover all the things that we want to cover. So there are some rare occasions where you want to set up 2 different alerts, which is fine, but we want to have at least one alert per client. So we want to click on alert settings, edit. The first thing we see here, it says listing type, and it's a drop down. So you just click on it and a drop down menu comes up. You have options for business, co-op, coming soon. Majority of the time it will be single family, the last one, or multifamily. So let's just assume for Ricky it's just one family, single family, so listing type single. For keywords we leave that blank. For options we leave that blank. For areas, there's 2 different ways of finding areas. Either you can put in the city, county, or zip, or which we highly recommend is to draw on map. So we click on that and your local map comes up. Sometimes it doesn't, it gives you the full United States map. For that you just type in your local zip code and it will recenter for you. So a couple of things when you see this map. One is you can click and hold it and move it up and down, or you can zoom out or zoom in. Right? The way it works is that let's say you want to draw a square now. So we would click on draw area and do one click, and then it's moving, and then you want to click again where you want to send the second line to stop, and the third dot, and the fourth. So once you did connect these dots, you are able to move them around. Right? Let's say you did mess up, you can just clear it and it will take you to the whole United States. Type it in again. So you want to get used to this because you want to set it up for all your clients. So get really comfortable, try it many times as needed. And so for this client, we initially said he wanted 1 family, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in Valley Stream, Elmont, or Hicksville. So you can see this zoomed out. So you can see Hicksville is here, Valley Stream is here, Elmont is here. But for this client, I want them to see these properties with the same specs as well. So if they're going all the way here and here, why not show them the middle piece too and see if they really don't want it, they want to exclude, we can exclude it later, but we want to show them much as possible in this section. It's not like we're showing them a lot further down, but this is between where they want to be. And once you have selected that, and if you want to make any adjustments, you can. But once you have done that, you want to hit apply selection. So far all we did was select listing type and drew on map. The next option is for your bedrooms. You got to click on it and select 3+ bedrooms. For bathrooms, wanted 2+ bathrooms. So for price range, so he qualifies for 500,000. So the rule is that we want to put $50,000 less and $50,000 more in the price range. So we would put 450 to 550, right? For acres, square footage, year built, we leave these blank. Next option is the frequency. So once we send them the list today, anything new comes in this criteria, they will get an email notification. Okay, so you want to click on frequency daily. Okay, and if you want to CC yourself, or if you want to use another email or their spouse's email, you can. Okay, so I want to go over one more time. We hit alerts, edit, and then listing type, single family, areas, edit map, drew on map, get comfortable with that, your how many bedrooms, bathrooms, price range, and frequency. And then click on set alerts. So they're saying as results wise, there are 78 houses with that specs, right? And if you made a mistake, you can always go back and edit. And also the status from inactive automatically becomes active. So from here, once you see the results, you want to click on send recent results and click on text recent results. So when this pops up, leave the top part blank, and then in the message, always start off by saying, hello, my name is Chris with LJ Realty team, right? Or you can say, hey, this is Chris with LJ Realty team. I think you might be interested in these listings, and do not, I repeat, do not touch this or do not make any changes to this. Okay, this is the link that they're going to see with all the properties, and it will take them to your website. Okay, so you can reword the top piece, but just include your name and the company name, and then leave this and click on send text. Okay, and they will get this whole list. The way they will see it, let's click on see all. Again, it's taking them to Chris's website. And these are all the 78 links that they see. Okay, any of these links now they view, you will see it in your dashboard that hey, your client is actually have viewed your property. Okay, so it's that powerful. So anything new comes in the market, they will automatically get an email notification. Okay, and this is how we set up our alerts. So if you want to set up a second alert, now let's say they're looking for a 2-family as well, so then we would click on edit and select multifamily and select the areas that they want to be in and include the bedrooms and etc. Same way how we set up alert number 1. All right, so if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.